Let's go, Ethereum. Let's go. Ethereum becomes 50th largest asset by market capitalization after recent price action. Ethereum gets on a list that looks like this, with gold leading the way and Bitcoin number 14 that you see there. But I think this will change in the future, especially if Ethereum continues to rise in price. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, after a month of flattening, Ethereum experienced a notable spike and saw its price increase to $1,560 from $1,300 in less than 2 days. The positive price action rose its market cap to $190 billion and entered ETH into the top 50 asset by market cap. Now, this is the chart that was done by TradingView.com, and you saw a little bit down here in the 1,300, 1,200 level, and then you see it rise to 1,553 now, and it became the 50th most valuable asset in the world. Now, Ethereum currently stands head-to-head with giants such as Toyota and Walt Disney, whose market caps hover around 195 billion. Now, looking at this list right here, gold is leading the way in terms of the top asset by market capitalization. Apple number 2, and then among other amazing project companies, organizations. Bitcoin is right there. I think Bitcoin could surpass Visa, in my opinion, in the future, along with ExxonMobil and some other ones. But if I go all the way down here, I will see Ethereum is 52, but I believe there will probably be more like 50 in the top 50 here, because this probably just got updated. But look how close these numbers is. 183 billion, 184 billion, 186 billion. So it's really, really close in terms of that top 50. Maybe this just got updated about a few minutes ago, but look at some of these other companies here. I don't see any other cryptocurrency on here. I would think in the future you may see something in the top 150. Maybe Binance can jump on here, maybe another project can jump on here, but Ethereum is the top 50 largest asset by market cap, and the price has tremendous potential to rise even higher in the future. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.